Welcome to the SolaXCloud User Guide. This video will demonstrate how to register your organization account as an installer or a distributor. First, scan the following QR code or search for the keyword SolaXCloud in the App Store to download the app. Check if your company is registered on SolaXCloud. If it is, ask your company admin to create your account. If not, contact your superior channel, if any, or us to register your company, or you can register it yourself. Now let's see the account sign-up steps. After selecting your language, click Sign Up at the bottom of the app and select your country or region according to your actual situations. Select Distributor/Installer and then click Next. Choose Installer or Distributor as your account type. Enter your company name and ABN according to your region. Then create your name and set your password and confirm your password. Provide your email or phone and enter the code you receive. Finally, tap Sign Up to complete your registration. If your device's registration number is brand new or its registration time is less than 1 month, scan or type the registration number of the dongle in the pop-up box to complete account activation. Last, you'd better log in to check your account. For companies already registered, administrators can log in to the SolaXCloud web portal and add internal user accounts in the Employee Management section. For any issues or further assistance, please contact SolaX official after-sales service.